what does loan to value mean? I remember actually before I was a mortgage advisor, quite a number of years ago now, my father talking about loan to value, and he did try and explain it to me once, and I still couldn't get it back then. So I can understand that question we get quite a lot. What does loan to value mean? So I will typically explain it by way of an example, and I always use £100,000. So let's say you're buying a house for £100,000 and it's valued at £100,000. If you're putting down a 5% deposit, so in that example 5,000, and you borrow 95,000, that would be a 95% loan. So the money that you're borrowing against the value, so what the property is worth. So that loan that you're borrowing against the value is based on a percentage. So in that example, 95%. Now, lenders will lend their money to you based on how much deposit you're putting in. So they'll sell you a rate based on how much deposit you're putting in, and it goes in 5% decrements. So for every 5% extra that you can put in, they will give you a better deal. So at 95%, they're the highest rates. At 90%, they get a little bit better. At 85%, and so on and so forth. All the way down to, 60% loan to the value. So in that example again, you borrow 60,000 against the house that's worth 100,000. In that example there, you would have a 60% loan to value mortgage.